Hi guys, Crash number 556 here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a redstone elevator just like this. Um, it's up on the top right now because I was testing it earlier, but you probably and it also works. Alright, all you're gonna need is some redstone dust, uh, blocks of your choice, it doesn't matter, a stone button, a node block, a couple of observers, a couple of slime blocks, sticky pistons, and a couple of obsidian. Alright, let's get into it. First, you're gonna start by digging a long hole and 2 blocks down. On the third block, you're going to go even one more block down and place a node block there. Then break the tree around it, just like this. Place an observer on the node block and place a slime on it. Um, then take your sticky pistons and put them beside the slime block and place slime blocks on top of it, on top of them. Then take your observer and place it right here and place the sticky piston right here, and then just take some redstone, put it right there so it connects to the observer. Take your blocks, place them on top, put the button on, put these on the sides, and you're done. We're not going to test it right now because we have to build other stuff first. So now we're going to build the top side, which is going to be like quite a lot up, and then we're going to you have to make a 3 by 3 hole, because then the slime blocks will stick to the back side, and we do not want that. So basically, um, what you're doing here is 4 blocks up, one here, and then this and this. You basically have to place these two where the observer will go. So step down to observer and check it. It's always in the middle, so just put it in the middle. Now you can destroy that, but I'm not going to because I'm going to make it look a bit better. This will not take a long time. And basically, you're gonna need some extra obsidian because we're gonna have to where the slimes are, 3 blocks and like that, because then it can get stuck, and we don't want it to get stuck. So yeah, um, just put it up on the top, place these. Alright, then yeah, we're done with the top side. I am going to make a bit of a platform here and put a button right here on the block next to the, so this is the button to activate it. So we go down. So let's test it out now. We have this, press the button, it's up, oh, I don't know why it kicked me off, but yeah, as you guys can see, it works. And then press. It is very compact, as you guys can see. Let's try this again. Hope it works. Just, you guys have to close the wall. This, and yeah, it's that's it. If you guys like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. uh, I'm going to make more redstone tutorials. As you can see, these in the back there were the prototypes for something else, which I haven't done yet, but yeah, that's it. I'm going to go now, so yeah, you guys have a nice day. Goodbye.